Sorry about that clip of me layering the wig. It cut out. It said I had round storage. I didn't even know. I'm just okay. So I'm sorry about that, guys. I will definitely make another video on how I layer my wigs. So now we're gonna go into curling. I'm going in with my BTZ turn up the heat protectant, hair protectant. It gives the hair a nice shine and it doesn't weigh it down and it does smell good. So I'm going in with that. And I'm standing behind my wig and I'm starting from the left and I'm curling away from the wig. And this is my left hand side. And I'm using my Hot Tools curling iron. I believe this is 1 inch. So, and I got these from Ross actually, but you can get them from Ross, you can get them from Sally's for sure. If not, I'll make sure to include it in my Amazon storefront. But so this curl didn't come out that great because I was trying to look in the camera and curl because I didn't want the same thing to happen where I ran out of storage. So I was like trying to look. So I'm gonna do it again. But but yeah, you want to curl away from the face when you're doing your curls. You want a nice bouncy curls, have a lot of personality. You know what I mean? Like you want them to last and not fall right away. You have to layer your wig and then or layer your hair and then you definitely want to curl away from the face if you want like that Farrah Fawcett type of look, you know. So I'm just curling away from the hair and this is my left hand side and just opening and closing my curling iron to let some more hair in. And I do have the curling iron on 430, the highest setting, and it's just, this wig took heat very well, I must say. And then I added a bundle. So the bundle takes well to bleach and heat. So I'm very impressed with the hair I bought from Amazon. This is my first time buying a wig from Amazon and buying a bundle from Amazon. And I am pleasantly surprised and very happy with my purchase. So I'll make sure to include everything in the description box down below. And I've done so much to this wig, y'all. I done bleached the knots. I done tweezed it. I have added a bundle. Now I'm curling it. And it looks so good. I'm so happy. So now I'm just doing the middle of the head. And I'm just doing it how I would normally curl my hair. Going downwards. And then I'm going to work my way to the right hand side, which is going to be just a tad bit different. And I'll come back to when I start curling on the right hand side. All right, so let's get to the right hand side. And as you can see, I have the hair, now I'm curling away from the face, going the opposite direction. And like I said, you definitely want to curl away from the face. And I'm using my curling irons going upward. I'm going to show you how I do it going downward. It's a slight, I've noticed a slight bit of difference when I change directions in my curling iron, going from upward to downward. But you know, it's definitely a preference. I always tell people that do it how you want to do what's best for you, do what's comfortable for you, do what looks good to you. It is up to you, right? I'm just showing you guys different ways that I do it, and hopefully, you know, it definitely helps you. But look at that curl. She's so pretty. I'm so happy. But so yeah, I'm going to put my spray on there. And I'm going to go ahead and curl away from the face again. And I'm going in first with my pressing comb just to make sure everything is flat and neat. This is an added step. When I was making wigs for people, I definitely like to make sure everything was just nice and neat and crispy. And I got those curling or pressing combs from Amazon as well. But And so here we go again, and I'm just curling away from the face. I would always suggest to practicing on, with it not being plugged in. Just practice using it, practice holding it, just practice your wrist game. Just practice. And before you start actually using heat, you know. And if you are true to this and you're just watching to be watching, that's what's up. Hey girl, hey boy, hey whoever, how y'all doing? If you got any suggestions, let me know. Like, this is a safe place, and I don't mind critique. I don't mind suggestions. Just don't be rude about it. But yeah, so that's that. And so now I'm gonna go in and show you how you can curl going downwards. So I'm gonna take a little slither, spray it, comb through it, and I'll get my pressing comb. I get them sides, I get them edges. And now, see, I have it going downwards. It's still going away from the face though. So I'm still going away from the face. Now, doing it this way, I can't lie, it was kind of difficult at first because I've never really done it like this, but I wanted to try it. And I actually like it. I like the way that curl looked. So I might start doing like this way around the face, around the edges of the wig, and then doing the upward in the middle and stuff. I don't know. I like the way this curl came out. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do that and let it go, and there you go. Nice juicy curl. Got a nice bounce on it, and because it's layered, it's sitting up in it sits really nice. So yeah. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the rest. Well, you can just watch me do the rest, and then I'll come back towards the end. The best part about doing curls is definitely the comb out, isn't it? It's just so satisfying to watch. I don't know, y'all, but that comb out looks so good. You see how bouncy it is? That's because we had to layer it. So definitely layer your wigs. If you want nice curls, you gotta layer it. So I'll do another tutorial on me layering my wig since that part got cut out, and make sure to upload it, you guys. But this came out so nice, and you're gonna see me comb it out just a little further. I kind of like waves. I kind of like the waves look. So yeah, so you'll see that towards the end of the video. But this is what I have for you guys this time, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Again, like always, if you have any questions or whatnot, just leave them down below. And till next time, peace and God bless. And like guns with the aching, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited.